Hello, I am Tabitha Blue. Welcome to my kitchen, and I have a little princess in here today. This is Aria. Can you say hi? Okay, so we have been doing some live cooks right from our kitchen right here, and especially loving sharing some of our slow cooker, easy family recipes with you. So I have our slow cooker right here ready to go. Today we are throwing like 5 ingredients into the slow cooker, and we're making a baked ziti with meatballs. So we are using Omaha steaks today. Oops, sorry baby. You all know that we like to use and stock up on Omaha steaks. Our last order, I ordered some of their Italian style meatballs. They come, like most meatballs, pre-cooked but frozen. So we are gonna toss these in. Let's get to it. It is so simple. The one thing I will say with this, it's kind of in the afternoon now because this only needs to cook for about 2 hours on high or 4 hours on low. You don't want it to cook too long because you don't want your noodles to get a little mushy. So that's the only thing. It's not one that you usually start in the morning and have by the evening, but it is a great slow cooker recipe if you need something to get going. You like pasta, don't you? Okay, so let's make it really easy. A box of ziti. These are ziti noodles. But you can use whatever kind you want. We are going to use cheese.
Cheese noodles.
Ziti noodles.
Ziti noodles.
A couple jars of sauce. So your favorite sauce. Basically, we're aiming for about 48.
Yum,
to,
yum, yum.
I don't know.
48
48 is the minimum, I would say. Ounces of sauce. You can use 3 jars if you want.
I love sauce.
I love sauce too.
There's so many sauce.
We are doing a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese.
Can I help do it?
Yeah, you want to scoop it in?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm trying to get up here.
All right.
And do it so I can't fall.
We don't want to fall. Okay, here, scrape that in there. I don't actually have a full container because I forgot to add that to my grocery order, but that's all right. We're gonna roll with it. This is how we do our slow cooker meals. We like throw in what we've got, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese.
I'm
Let's
gonna
just
do
dump
it.
in like half of this.
Mama, we are finished with that.
I think so. Okay. And then we're gonna give that a good stir. We need to add some. Okay, so to make baked ziti in the slow cooker, this is all you need.
Can I do
mozzarella cheese sauce,
Can I do it?
ricotta cheese, and the ziti noodles. Like I said, we are gonna be adding our Omaha steaks meatballs because my family loves those. You could, if you're vegetarian, you could use vegetarian meatballs. We love these. All right, you wanna dump in the meatballs?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you've ever watched one of our cooks here, like one of the recipes that we've done, you know we like garlic, don't we?
Can I do it?
Sure. Okay, put a little scoop of that garlic in. It's easy for me when we already have it minced up,
Garlic.
especially when we have little helpers. And then I do like to add in some extra Italian seasoning.
Can I do that?
Yeah, dump that right in. Ari and I chopped up some rosemary and some thyme. We added a little bit of basil, and that's all going in there. But again, your main ingredients are the ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, your favorite sauce, and the ziti noodles. Throw in whatever meatballs you like. Oof, and give it a good stir. All right, I'm gonna show this to the camera real quick. Ready? Whoa! So it makes it nice and easy to get dinner made and dinner on the table. I don't think I've ever
I had a
cooked
big
another pasta
one.
this easy because you guys, besides the 4-year-old stirring it for me, really, we're done. We're ready to put the lid on and turn it on and let it cook. And this baked ziti with meatballs will be done, again, on high in about 2 hours, on low.
Oopsies.
We're flinging sauce all over. All right, let mommy give it a little stir here for a minute. I think it looks good. Maybe we should use the spoon. Let's try that.
Can I do it?
Yeah, let me get these noodles back in here that we flipped out.
Can I do it now?
Okay, here you go. All right, so we're giving this a good stir and we're gonna let it cook. If you have any questions for us here in the kitchen, any questions on our previous recipes, let us know. But I do like sharing, especially our slow cooker recipes with you. And again, this is our quote-unquote baked ziti, but it's such an easy way to get family meals on the table. Are you excited to eat this, Aria?
Yes.
Yes, me too. Little princess, do you want to show off your tiara today?
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're ready. All we have to do here is put the lid on. You can serve it with your favorite salad, maybe some garlic bread, and we are good to go. Doesn't that look great? I think we got it in here. I'll leave links down below. I'm gonna share this recipe on the blog later. Again, it's super simple. I'll also link to these Omaha Steaks meatballs down below, and you guys have a fabulous day. We'll see.